So I needed a new gimbal, and I saw an ad in the newspaper from DJI Reykjavik. Turns out they're right downtown next to the Hard Rock Cafe. The man behind the counter said they try to keep their prices competitive and very similar to what you might see in Europe. I think DJI makes the best gimbal for a phone, and DJI Reykjavik had a very nice selection. I'll post some pictures here and let you take a look around the store a little bit. Service when I was there was good. They've been there for 5 years, and when I went up to the counter to get my gimbal, it probably took around 3 minutes or so to get it. So the experience, I would recommend it. And if you need some kind of DJI product and you're in Reykjavik, you might want to check out DJI Reykjavik. Okay, feel free to subscribe to the channel for more Iceland travel tips.